Jude, bars 50 to 59. The metronome is set for the quaver at 92. I count and we play. Ready? 1 and 2 and ready, go. Now I'll set the quaver to be 100, same spot. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Because I made a mistake on that, I'm going to take that same speed again. 1 and 2 and ready, go. And I still made a mistake in bar 57 for the left hand, so we're going to keep it at that speed. 1 and 2 and here we go. Time at that speed just to solidify. 1 and 2 and here we go. I'm going to move it up to 108 is the quaver. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Now I'm going to move it to 116. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Now I'm going to move it up to 126. 1 and 2 and ready, go. I'm actually going to keep it the same speed, but I'm going to cut it in half so we can feel that crotchet beat. So instead of it being 126, I'm putting it at 63, which is the crotchet beat. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Do it at that speed one more time just to solidify it, because it's a new concept, crotchet beats rather than quaver beats. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Now we're going to move that crotchet beat up to 69. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Whoops, I'm going to try that again. 1 and 2 and ready, go. time. Ready, here we go. And now I'm going to put it up to the performance speed, which would be 76 beats per minute for the crotchet. So listen to the crotchet. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Let's try that one more time at performance speed, 76 beats per minute. 1 and 2 and ready, go. And so on and so forth. Good luck in building the tempo.